Emma from Eggs Experiments. Today we're going to make Play-Doh that is edible.
Yummy!
We've already made pink and purple.
So
today we're going to be making green.
Brilliant! And Emma, how do you actually make this? How do you make it?
So we're going to put 2 scoops of this.
What's that?
It's flour.
Cool.
Do not do it with vegan flour.
You can do it with vegan flour.
Yeah, you can do it, but
it's just not so good for your mummy's purse. So, okay.
1 scoop of salt. 1 scoop of this.
What's that?
It's water.
Cool.
And 1 scoop of olive oil.
And the scoops that Eva's talking about is for the flour.
We're going to use that one.
And the water. It's 1 deciliter scoop. A 1 deciliter scoop. Yeah.
And 1 deciliter?
No.
Oh,
that is a tablespoon.
Yeah.
And that's a tablespoonful of the oil.
Olive oil.
You can use any cooking oil. And then
Any cooking oil.
you can add colour. And
how we use the colour is a spoon and mix it up.
Yeah, there's different types of food colouring. We've got these pastes.
Yeah, we've got the pastes.
Yeah, so that's what we would be using.
Yes.
So, okay, let's keep going. Let's get going.
Yes.
What do you do first?
So, we take this scoop and put 2 scoops of that. Oops.
The flour.
Yes. Cool. Make sure to hit it on the sides so it actually is level. That's not level. Okay. So that's how you need it.
That's 1.
Oops. Kind of getting it all over. There we go.
That's 2.
Moving on.
Moving on to the next bit. What's the next bit?
Salt.
Cool.
This is British table salt. You can use any table salt. This is going to be used for salt.
Yeah.
So we're going to fill the whole entire thing with 1 deciliter scoop.
That is a lot of salt.
I'm kind of squeezing it right now because it's nearly gone.
Yeah. Yeah. Let me. Water!
And if you're wondering what this is going to taste like, it's going to taste like salt.
Very salty indeed.
Yes. These are actually balls of salt.
But the good thing about it is that it's not dangerous to eat. So small children can do this as well.
Yes.
Right, next thing.
1 scoop of water.
Cool. You pour into the scoop.
Put this down. Oops.
A little bit more. More. That's it.
Pour it in.
Whoa.
And they're like slime.
A little bit, they get quite stretchy.
Quite stretchy.
Alright, let's make it. Oops.
I think that was 2.5. Was I?
No, that was 1.
1. Okay.
You want to put in the green stuff.
Yes. These are actually Easter colors, if you didn't know. And Valentine and Easter are coming up.
Yes. We'll have to do something for Valentine's Day, don't we?
Yes, we need to make a red one.
Ooh, groovy. 'Cause that your pink one looks more like a brain, actually.
Yeah, it looks like a brain.
Zombie food, zombie food.
Help me. Yesterday night, a person that reads with me every afternoon actually said she puts her brain in a carrier bag.
We don't believe that.
No.
No.
Zombies aren't real. And you can't take your brains out. And plus, he didn't even have a cut in her head.
No. That is it.
I'm trying to get all the flour in on
This is a work for the
Easter.
No, for these.
Yeah.
The handy shovels. Do you want Mummy to do it? Or do you want to do it yourself?
I want to do it myself.
Cool. Get in there.
Okay.
Now.
Okay. I tried this on my own earlier today, and it kind of had a fail. But the one I made earlier today was the purple, and it was a success.
Da 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 da.
And I made it all by my own.
It's really nice.
And
really
I actually can cook something. My mum will show you too. Look how green that is.
It's beautiful.
Yes.
Okay, so should we tell people what you can do with this?
Yes.
You can actually use it as clay, can't you? So,
and if that there's a fact about this now. If you leave it in the air, it starts to dry up like hard stone, and you can't eat it anymore. But the good thing, you can mold it, and when it dries, you can put it in your room or anywhere.
yeah, you can actually dry it so it gets completely hard. And the way to do that is to first let it air dry, and then you can use the oven on low setting to completely dry it out.
Yeah.
You don't want to do it in the oven straight away because it might actually crack.
Yes. And I'm actually thinking this could be the grass, and these two colours could be the egg for Easter. If you weren't knowing what I was talking about.
That's good, isn't it?
Before we get on with this video, make sure to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and hit that notification bell.
Absolutely.
And then you know when we post new videos, and you get notified.
Absolutely. So, I think we're almost finished here.
Yeah.
That is looking good.
Yeah, there's a bit of dark green in it.
That will even out when you play with it.
Yes.
Yeah.
It's turning
So,
over.
this is the simple way to make your own Play-Doh with stuff that you most likely already have at home. So, over and out.
Bye-bye.